Alright, text to speech. Now let's do speech to text, something I'm very interested in. And I'm going to feature probably 3 or 4 different tools here. And I'll start with the Word version. So again, we're going to the Word Online, going to a new blank document. Now there's some really cool features in this, but it is limited as far as the environment goes for it. For some reason my little dictate icon just disappeared then. So I am struggling a little with my internet this afternoon, so I apologise if this is a little bit slow. If it doesn't work, I'll come back and do it again later, but I'm pretty keen to get this completed. So yeah, you're in a document and you want to do speech to text. I hit the dictate button, which you can see that's not there. Hello, my name is Mark Cotty from Region 15 NDCO program. It had real problems doing that then. It could be a number of things. As I said, my internet's glitched up a fair bit this afternoon. The other thing is that it might not be because I'm not got a direct microphone into my computer. Anyway, we'll just persevere for a minute. Full stop, new line. Hello, it is me again. I am trying to speak clearly and slowing it down a little bit to make it easier for this video, comma. So I'm just having a look at that then. I didn't put the comma in, and it's also turning on and off. Comma. My hope is that this will work properly given a better internet system and possibly the inclusion of a microphone, full stop. Alright, so there you go. I'm still talking. I did try and turn that off then, so I'm not sure. It's just lagging. It's not doing any more, so I think I have stopped it. Well, there you can hear it going off there. All a little bit slow, and you'd have to go in and change things that you got wrong. But that's fairly easy, and it's only going to suit certain environments, as I said. The microphone in is really important, but it does have that functionality about it where you can do the grammar, apostrophe, comma, full stop, that sort of stuff. So punctuation, there you go, Mark. Jeez, it's been a long afternoon. Righto. Just to show that this is very similar to another program that you might use as far as you might be a Google Docs type person, and we've got to remember a lot of kids and students coming up through the ranks of the schools use Chromebooks, so they're going to be more familiar with Google Docs. So let's go to my Google Docs. Start a new document. Righto, we've got a new document open. What here? I want to go to Tools. It's not in the taskbar itself, it's in the Tools, and I'm looking for voice typing. Welcome, oh hang on, I better click on it to speak. Yeah, pretty simple. Welcome to Google Docs Voice Translation Experiment, full stop. New sentence. Now I didn't get the full new sentence there because I haven't quite got the commands right in my head, and I've got it mixed up with the Word document. Full stop. One thing I'm still experimenting with is the accuracy. You can already see though that this is much faster than the Word version was, and I have a feeling that's just my Word through the StaffNet server at work at the moment experiencing some lag. Full stop. and then we just click it off. And you can see again, made some mistakes that you can go through and fix fairly easily. That's a pretty good one, and again, it's got a lot more command features in it, and you just access that through. There's a button here somewhere that tells you where all the add-ons are as far as the suggestions. No, that's not what I'm looking for. There is a section in there where you can actually read what all those commands are for. Alright, I'm pretty sure I did find it somewhere. As I said, it's been a long afternoon. So there you go, that's two really quick ones that you might want to use depending on the environment, and that is both the Word version 365 and also the Google Docs. Alright, I'm going to stop there. I need to have a quick break, and then I'll show you some other functions or tools that I think are worth using.